Here is a cube which is a very having all the colors randomly. We'll be arranging it. So for that we have to select only one color and one side same we have to make. So which color should we choose? Let us select yellow color. So this whole thing we will make yellow color, and don't worry if these colors don't match. First we will make this whole thing all 9 parts of yellow color. So where is another yellow color? Here it is. So we have to bring it at the top. So this is very simple. You just rotate it here. First we will find out all the and place all the yellow colors of the corners, 4 corners. So first we have fixed this yellow color over here. Now where is another yellow color of the corner? Here is another yellow color, and here also another. This one will be easy. For this to bring at the top, see yellow color, to bring it at the top we have to just rotate this. So here is another yellow color. Okay, so out of 9 we have got 3 yellow colors. Now another yellow corner, it is here. This yellow corner we have to place either here or here. We'll try to place it over here. Okay, so for this purpose we will first have to bring it over on the other side. So we will rotate it once, then one more time. So it has come on this side. Okay, that to bring it over here it will be in 2 steps. First we will have to rotate it and bring it over here, then we will have to turn this thing downward, then again bring it on this side, and when we will turn it at the top, here it is. Now we have to find this yellow color. Where is this yellow color? Oh, it is at the bottom. So from bottom we have to bring it over here. So for that purpose what we will do, we will have to turn it like this, but again it is not coming up and this will get displaced. We have to bring this bottom color over here. So we will rotate this side once. Here is the yellow color. Okay, then bottom we have to rotate 2 times, and then up here again. So now this yellow color is over here. This previously it was here, now we have shifted it over here. So from here to here we have to bring. For that we will take this yellow color on other side once and twice. So now the yellow color is over here. Then we will rotate this one, and bottom row we will rotate. So from here the yellow color has come here. Now we will rotate it back in the position. So we have got all the 5 corners, all the 4 corners and the middle one. So 5 out of 9. Now we will try to place yellow colors at these 3-4 positions. So where is the yellow color? Here it is. So from here we will have to bring it over here. This is a very simple step. You have to first rotate this, either this side or that side. Then rotate the middle one downward, turn it this way here, and then bring it in the original position, the middle one. See, now we will try to search out another middle piece. Aha, here is the middle piece, but it is upside down. We will have to rotate it. So in this situation, what we will do, we will rotate it this way, then we will rotate the middle one on that side, just one turn. Okay, and then we will bring it back. So what happened, this yellow color has now shifted over here. Now we will put this thing here. So for that we will turn it this way, and middle one we will turn it twice. One, this is once, and this is another time, second time. So from here this yellow came over here, from here it came over here. Now we will rotate it back. So here it is, we have turned it now. Now these two things are remaining. Another yellow color middle one here. So from here it is very simple to place it over here. For that you have to simply turn it. You can turn it either this side or this side. Let's do it on this side. So we'll turn it this way. From here this yellow color has come here. From here we'll take it over here. So rotate the middle one, rotate the middle one, and put the yellow on this side. Now turn it back. So here it is. Now just one is left. Now where's this yellow color? Oh, it is down below, underside. From here we have to bring it over here. So for that we will first bring it below this part. Okay, so here is the yellow color. We will turn it. Okay, so after turning, here we want yellow color, and this yellow color is over here. Now we have to turn it once. So yellow color is here. If I will turn it over here, no, it will be upside down. See, it is upside down. So what we will do, it was below, no? This we have to bring it over here. So first I'll shift it. Turn the front one, then middle on the far side, and restore this. Okay, so now our yellow color is over here. So from here it is very easy to shift it over here. For that we will have to turn front one, then rotate the middle one, and here it is. all yellow color. Next step will be to match these colors with the center one. So this is red, so red, this is not matching. This is green, green means this thing is in proper place. This is not in proper place. This is orange, orange is not here, neither here. So we will have to juggle 1, 2 and 3 pieces, corners, so that they match with this color. So here it should be green, here it's orange, so these two should be orange. This is here blue, so these two should be blue. That will be the next step.